Drug company executives were forced to defend the rising cost of medications today before Congress. Here's Werner.
Today,
on Capitol Hill, the leaders of 7 big pharmaceutical companies got a 3-hour bipartisan grilling from senators.
Prices are astronomically high because that's where pharmaceutical companies and their investors want them.
It is almost as if the taxpayer has stupid written on their face.
On average, Americans spent $1,162 per person on prescription drugs, compared with $838 in Canada and only $766 in Germany for similar drugs.
Something is fundamentally broken in our system that the Danes get an 80% discount and we are not.
The manufacturers make some of the biggest drugs like Ambien and Clarinex. AbbVie CEO Richard Gonzalez was pressed to explain why the price of arthritis drug Humira doubled from $19,000 in 2012 to $41,000 today.
Humira plays a very important role in AbbVie's overall funding of R&D.
Mr. Gonzalez, I know my time is up. Let me just say, I think that you charge more here because you can.
But as the debate rages on, patients like Kathleen Washington are stuck in the middle. She can't afford the $600 price of her insulin, so she has to use a less effective, cheaper insulin.
So it just got to be to the point that I had to start making decisions as to whether or not I'm going to get my insulin or whether or not I'm going to get food.
Today's hearing ended with none of the companies committing to lowering the list price they charge for drugs. Werner, CBS News, New York.